Bilingual Educational Act of 1968. What is it? It's the first federal legislation to address the unique needs of limited English-speaking students. It's also known as the Title VII of the Elementary and Secondary Education Act of 1965, which was later signed on January 2, 1968 into law. It provided schools with federal funding in form of grants to establish educational programs for students. The fundings: in the first year, the Act provided fundings for 76 bilingual education programs and served students who spoke 14 different languages. Some of these trainings were for teachers, teacher training, and some of the funding were also used for parent involvement in various projects. This was the first time the U.S. Congress had endorsed funding for bilingual education. Yarbrough and Johnson. This bill was introduced in 1967 by Texas Senator Ralph Yarbrough and signed into law by President Lyndon B. Johnson in 1968. And here's a quote that Yarbrough used: "Let's put the jam in the lower shelf so the little people can reach it." Who did it aim? Although this bill was limited to Spanish-speaking students, it led to the introduction of 37 other bills which were merged into a single measure known as the Title VII of the Elementary Educational Act, or the Bilingual Educational Act, which was enacted in 1968. Here's a link for a video, and here are informational links. I've got 3. Thank you.